He was born into a poor family in the Netherlands and immigrated to the United States at the age of 6. Before he left his hometown, his grandfather advised him, "From now on, wherever you go, try to make there better in some form." When he first sold newspapers at a corner of downtown Boston, he did not forget his grandfather's advice. He picked up trash and cigarette butts on the street every day and cleaned them so that customers wouldn't be offended. And he always brought all the newspapers on time so that customers wouldn't be disappointed because they didn't have the ones they wanted. After that, when he worked for a publishing company, he also did not neglect to make his surroundings better. Thanks to this effort, there were a lot of good people around him, and after all, he is still respected as the best journalist in the U.S. This story is about Edward William Bok, a Dutch-born American editor and Pulitzer Prize-winning author. He was editor of the Ladies' Home Journal for 30 years. It takes a lot of time to make a habit. However, habits made like that can be a big force to change your life, even if they are small things.